Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to share an unboxing video that I have ordered from Flipkart. So without wasting time, let's unbox it. Actually, I have ordered a bedsheet when an offer is going on and I have got it at just rupees 208. And the bedsheet I have ordered has been shown in a screen. It's written as a cotton queen bedsheet, so let's check the quality of a bedsheet. And yes, the quality of a bedsheet is very nice. It's a pure cotton. And this one is the pillow cover, as one of the pair of a pillow cover is included in it. No doubt about the quality of a fabric, but I doesn't like the stitching of a pillow cover at all. Apart from the pillow cover, I like the bedsheet very much. And guys, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share.